Good morning. This is day 14 of the 30-day content challenge, and today's topic is do I agree or disagree with some leader in the industry that I am in? I'm in the Home Business Academy is basically my home business affiliate that I'm dealing with primarily, and what I've learned is that I agree with my leaders. I mean, they're very big money makers, and I should listen to them. And I also agree with Amy as she's talking about helping us as she helps us prepare content to develop our businesses. And so the main thing that I've learned is that you need a funnel and you need an autoresponder, and then those are the primary tools that you need to build a business. And also you need traffic. And so that's what Amy's doing here, is trying to help us drive traffic to our funnels and to make sales based on content. And there's other ways to do it, and I'm trying to do both. I'm trying to develop content, but I'm also working. I buy some traffic and go from there. But those are basically the 2 or 3 things that I think are critical, and I agree with my leaders. I know that I've messed around with online businesses and failed a lot, and I know what they're talking about is true, and so I agree with them wholeheartedly. So that is my point for today, and I want to thank everybody for all their comments, and this has really been kind of fun, and I'm looking forward to the next 2 weeks. Thank you.